not created in the US that is global. Think how big they are. First time ever. So of course the next one might be Europe.
Okay, so both dropping gems here, both getting a lot of points. Papa, a Miami-based startup, just raised $18 million to expand its business in connecting elderly Americans with companions physically and virtually. On the flip side, Greenlight Financial, a FinTech company, set up a kid-friendly debit card and raised $215 million. Startups for the elderly and middle schoolers are not your typical hyped up industries in the venture community. Which space do you see most opportunity for investment? Peter, we're gonna go back to you.
Middle school, because I built consumer internet companies, and that is, they're connected. They grew up digital first. They grew up understanding what a cell phone and connectivity. And so that market is gonna explode even more so with homeschooling, digital, mobile. There's a lot of money to be made.
AJ?
I like the elderly. I think, if I'm starting a startup tomorrow, I'm picking that market. One, I think to Peter's point, I think a lot of people are trying to attack that middle school demographic. I think there's a ton of noise. I think there's a lot of competition. I think the elderly is just very underserved. I think that the elderly, their children, people our age are there to help. They want to help. And then soon, in the next 20, 30 years, we're going to be the elderly, and we're native. And so I think I like the opportunities there quite a bit.
I'm not that old, AJ.
30 years, you're going to be old.
I'm Asian.
Primetime VC is supported by First Republic Bank, banking built for innovators. TriNet, expertly human HR solutions. Brex, scale your business faster with Brex. Cash management and corporate cards for your team in 10 minutes or less. Use our link in the show description to sign up today. E2 Generations. We solve problems that live on Excel.